Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn about while loop in Python programming. The while loop keeps running as long as the condition inside it's true. So what does it mean? I'm writing while. So after I write my condition. While loop checks if the condition is true, it enters inside the while loop. For example, I say I'm checking number is less than 10. What's the number value? I need to write initial value. So I assign, for example, number is equal to 1 here. And then I put comma. Let's check this code. Right now, number is equal to 1 and I am checking while in while condition 1 is less than 10. Yes, it's true. So it means it enters while loop, but it will not go away. The loop will become an infinite loop because the condition will always be true here. So what I need to do in certain condition after some time, the condition will eventually become false. So I need to modify this code. For example, I can do this way, is number plus equal to 1. What does it mean? Number is equal to number plus 1. So number is 1. I'm checking 1 is less than 10. Yes. And then I'm inside the while loop. I increase number value. So number was 1. 1 plus 1. Number becomes 2. I'm checking it. 2 is less than 10. Yes. So I'm inside while loop. Number is equal to 2 plus 1. Number becomes 3. I'm checking here. 3 is less than 10. Yes. It continues like that until I'm checking 9 is less than 10. Yes. Number is equal to 9 plus 1. 10. And I check 10 is less than 10. No. So while loop ends. If I print here, if I print this number value, what I will see on the screen, you see it starts from 1 and it reaches until to 9. Because after printing 9, I increase number value, number became 10. I check 10 is less than 10. No, the while loop ends. If I don't write this code, I run it, you see it becomes infinite loop because 1 is less than 10. It's still true. So while loop will not end. So be careful about that. After some condition, while loop should be ended. So you need to modify inside the while loop. Because whenever this condition is true, while loop works. So by modifying our code, after certain times, while loop will become false. The condition became false. So I want it. So what I did here, I just print, I start from 1 because number is 1 here. So I print it after I increase number value. So I print after the condition is not met. So while loop ends. Super.